Today is our studio. We're here today. We have a repair. So, I think the repair is the Monster 5. See? 5. I think that, we'll think it has to be hanging along the being success. We have the repair. HOS. Okay. Let's take a walk right here. As you see, there's nothing on there.
Are the keys in it, or?
This has a shame. As you can see, it's total, but I think we'll take the CDs out. Have to take the CD out.
Does the door not work from the outside?
All the actuators for some reason didn't want to work.
Take
that one was like working intermittently,
CD case.
which kind of sucked.
Uh-oh. Where's the album CD case?
Okay.
What is it?
You took them out, Austin.
Oh yeah, it's coming out. Look.
Okay. There's one.
No, right side.
I'm like, oh.
You have a back seat all the way back there too, huh?
Yeah, those two seats back there, seats fold up and stuff. I mean, there's really no room. If you want, like, these would have to be moved all the way pretty far up for somebody to sit back there. For kids, yeah, it'd be perfect for kids. Is that it, Bubs? Okay. Yeah, for kids, it'd be perfect. The only bad thing about this thing was it was bad for our dog.
Why is that?
Because the seat, he's a bigger dog, so this really didn't give him much room to, like, to lay down or anything like that.
Oh, it's got really. Oh,
So I've been kind of like looking at some other cars now.
it's my album.
Because, like, my girlfriend, she wants to kind of wait, but I was like, you know what? I want to get something as, I don't want to rush it, but I want to find something decent.
Yeah.
Because the way I look at it is, if I don't get something, then I like to travel. I like to take trips and get out and
Got my
cars we got
CDs
now
here.
really are,
And,
go out,
But
but they're
I
just
think
not comfortable enough,
I don't have a
big enough.
album CD case,
Kinda like looking at the
so we
RAV4s.
check this. Get it done for the Monster. For the Monster 5, we're gonna save it and we get a new one. Yeah, a new one. But the thing is, I have to become. Let's get it done.
Yeah, we saw this guy up there.
So we'll see how this works. So, and that's good.
So I finally
So,
showed her one.
very good.
And, I'm like, oh, okay. And this has the one
So,
right there.
here's that. Tacos, and things like that.
Other thing.
Yeah,
She goes,
good.
50 bucks of gas lasts me 2 weeks. Okay.
And it takes 2 weeks for it. It happens this for a week. But, as you see, there's a CD that has scratches in it. Yeah, it doesn't scratch the CD. So what you know? We try it every day. Gotta see how this works right there. As you can see, there's a door. Take a roll the car up. What is it called? Roll up the car. Get this. As you can see, there's MP Jazz. I don't know, but it takes a while. As you can see, there's a wood, and it has to work. Here's the work. But
Gap insurance. Is that called Triple Crown Motors?
have the gap insurance. there's a wheel, looks like. But so we got it. There's a repair store. Gotta go right now.